4-bedroom homes in Pagosa Springs are somewhat rare. In fact, a quick glance at the MLS reveals that only about 10% of homes for sale in the Pagosa Lakes area have at least 4 bedrooms. Which makes this home right here an amazing opportunity because it indeed has that elusive 4th bedroom.
This home needs a little explanation. It needs a little work, a little love, a little attention, and the price reflects that.
Whether you're an investor, a flipper, or someone who wants to renovate a home for themselves, this home has options.
This home has 2 staircases. This staircase leads to the master bedroom. It allows you to go ahead and shut this off and use it as a short-term or long-term rental.
And this master bedroom upstairs is huge. It's large enough for not just a bed, but also a couch or study area. Across from the master bedroom are 2 bedrooms, each sharing a Jack and Jill bathroom. The hallway leading to the bedrooms is open to the 1st floor, giving you the feel that this home is much larger than its square footage. Off the hallway is the 2nd stairway, which divides the living area from the dining area downstairs. And here's where more options come into play. Maybe you could take this kitchen and extend it out towards the entryway and then create this huge kitchen island. Move the staircase over here so that you have a nice kitchen to dining to living room open floor plan. The living area features plenty of windows to let a ton of sunlight in. Off the living area is access to the 4th bedroom and half bath. With a little bit of creativity, you can expand this half bath to a full bath. And from the living area is access to the back deck, which features one of the coolest things about this place, an incredible sauna that allows you to get nice and toasty on those cold winter evenings. And this is what the Colorado lifestyle is all about, the great outdoors. And by redoing this deck, you can have an incredible space for outdoor entertainment with glimpses of the San Juan Mountains.
It's up to you how you renovate this home. Either way, you will walk away with a healthy profit or a great place to call home.
For more details, head to thisispagosa.com. Cheers, everyone.